get down with a pen in the pad. You could tell that I've been in the lab. You could say that I'm killing the bad. The way I'm so real, for willing to mag. For real, I'm feeling my swag. Sign my deal, so
And from Street Royale, let's give it up for Fernand the Boot. Come on. Yeah. Go Fernand, Street Royale. Okay na? Okay na? Let's go. Go, James. Go, go, go. Go, flip. Endemic. Go, 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 go. Go, James. Go, James. Jason, flip, endemic. Yeah. Come, go, go. Hey. Yeah. Okay, second round, come on. Fernand, it's your turn, Fernand. Second round. Ready? Ready, and yo, go. Go Fernand. Street Royale. Go Fernand. Street Royale. Fernand the Boots. Yeah, come on. Everybody there. Yeah. Okay na. Jace, go Jace. Go. Go Jace. Come on. Go Jace. Go flip. Endemic. Okay. Ang init. Woo! Init ang labanan ah. Tama sa gitna. Baka mag... Okay man, mag-check-in tayo. Okay, judges. Judges.
Judges, okay. Kayo po ang mag-decide. Mabilisan lang to kasi ituturo lang ni Kurt yung kamay niya sa contestant and then sasabihin niya na sa amin kung sino ang mananalo sa round na ito.
Wala mo natin alamin ang hatol ni Docs. James.
Jay! Sama ka kay Jay!
Sabay-sabay na.
May switch!
James.
Dalawa para kay Jace.
Last one. People. Kay James.
Tatlo para kay Jay Switch. Makes him the winner for this round.
Can you feel it?
We're gonna bounce one time to the beat. Come on! We're gonna bounce one time to the beat.
Yun ang makasal. Ay, stir friend sila. So, judges, sino ang panalo? Ready? 1,
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Just blaze.
1 minute. Ready?
Everybody, I want you to see the hand with another. Let me get everybody to get moving. Open them all 'cause they're ready to flow. Wow. Okay. You see the wind blowing in like a man. Let me go to jack. Let me see the man going in. Wow. Everybody know that I'ma go. Then I gotta do what I be giving me. Do what I be giving me. Let me get my show. It's to the ignition to step on the gas. And push up. The coffee.
James, your turn.
Go, Jay!
Where we at? We back up. Let me come up with a star. Just forgot I'm ready. You know who it is. It's Russell, Travis Barker. Back to the beat. Everybody let it blow. And we gotta get it, yo. Everybody get it really quick.
James from Woodstock. Okay, tapos na po ang round 3.
Mga palakpakan dyan.
Ako nagturo sa kanila eh.
Wow.
Ay, nakaka-tense.
May pinaghuhugutan daw. May bubulong dito. May pinaghuhugutan daw.
Meron? Anong pinaghuhugot?
Tanungin muna natin kung paano sila nag-prepare para maganda. Okay. Ay, sige muna.
Paano ka nag-prepare?
Every training ginagawa namin sa freestyle, tinitrain namin kung paano i-feel yung music, hindi basta bitaw, para makuha yung tamang feel nung kung ano ginagawa mo.
Wow, okay. Galing. Tama naman, as a dancer.
Ano na si Kit naman, paano ka nag-prepare?
Ano champion?
Para sa mga
Champion?
ganitong
Ano
lifestyle?
champion? Ano mangyayari?
Training,
sabi mo champion.
tambay, tapos kumito po.
Ano champion?
Yun, mga bata.
Championship for the world title.
Abilidad.
For the world welterweight champion.
Desisyon nyo na yan kung gusto
Number one
ninyo.
contender.
Ulitin ko na nga, training
Number one contender. Ba't di ka sumali? Ba't di ka sumali?
Computer. Alam mo,
Wala.
sabi nila,
Ala.
kapag ka meron
Okay
kang
lang.
ginagawang mahirap, syempre hindi naman masama yung paminsan-minsan, magpasarap ka. Pero yung kanya talaga yung tatlo pasarap, yung isa lang yung mahirap, yung training lang. Nakakaloka.
Pero yung seryoso, kasi may mga bata tayo, paano ba? Ano ba training natin?
Training lang po, tapos pag-iisipan ng mabuti kung ano yung mga gagawin. Hindi lang po basta tira-tira.
Tama. Okay, yan.
Foundations din po.
Foundations, grabe.
Oh, pero dapat mabilis ang isip mo, no? Kasi, on the spot lahat yan. Spontaneous kayo dapat.
At saka maganda sa ginawa nila kanina, parehong kill beat. Ba, pareho, sakto sa tono yung pinag-aralan niyo ba yung kanta? Ang kulit.
Tinuruan mo nga. Kulit nito eh.
Sabi ko lang. Okay, judges.
They're both very good. Congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. But right now, of course, we have to come up with only one winner. And the judges will decide in 3, 2, 1. This is JJ.
Anong feeling bro? Champion.
Saya. May pinaghugutan eh.
What?